Inkampani ehlinzeka ngamanzi KwaZulu-Natal Umngeni Uthukela Water ithi iphezulu kwezinhlelo zokulungisa ingqalasizinda elimele kulandela izikhukhula ezilokhu zihlasele kulesi sifundazwe.
We are looking at building infrastructure that is resilient, that will be able to withstand the climate change conditions that we are currently experiencing.
Isikhwama esibhekele ukulungiswa kwengqalasizinda i-Infrastructure Fund sithi ukuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu ngenye yezinto abazibhekayo uma benezinhlelo zokulungisa ingqalasizinda yamanzi.
It impacts on the type of materials that you use. You should bear that in mind. But also where you put up the infrastructure, it's also informed by, the new challenges that we are facing.
Iphini likaMengameli wakuleli uPaul Mashatile lithi ucwaningo abalenzile njengohulumeni luveza ukuthi ukungabikho kwengqalasizinda esesimeni ikona okwenza abantu bakuleli bentule amanzi.
Our resolve is to focus our efforts on ensuring that we improve infrastructure delivery and indeed implement our plans.